Hello everyone, my name is Fatima Ramirez. I'm a MSc student in mechanical engineering from the University of Alberta in Edmonton. And I'm developing an inclusive DRI training program to develop skills for sustainable construction. This is my project. So I'm going to talk about what motivates this project in the first instance, which is increasing housing crisis in Canada that is demanding research to find feasible solutions for construction as fast as possible, and with the component that we're facing extreme weather challenges as well. But besides that, the construction industry is one sector that presents a big technological gaps compared to other ones, especially in digital tools use. So, with this in mind, we aim to develop and implement training content for using DRI tools with a focus in construction and concrete 3D printing applications to get the current technological gap in construction industry thinner among civil engineering researchers in the University of Alberta and local industry. So, how is this going to happen? Well, we're aiming to develop a hands-up workshop session for digital tools applied to a specific research problem in the industry. We will imply acquiring data, clean the data, and use management tools. And this data will be acquired from 3D printed monitoring systems, building information modeling, also known as building information management, and material development. So these areas are very urgent to develop and research on in the construction sector. And the session is happening during two instances: an individual workshop session in the UFA, which is mostly for testing the content and enhancing them further. So then it can be applied in a broader session directed to uh, people from industry, researchers from industry, and researchers at the university, not only in the University of Alberta, but in universities in Canada that come to this conference. Uh, so this second workshop will be hosted in the Canadian Sustainable Additive Construction Conference happening in next May. And we are targeting professors, postdoc fellows, graduate students in civil engineering department at the University of Alberta principally. This is the main target, as well as construction industry researchers either with or without computer science background. OLS program in particular helped me so much in making my goals clear, not only for the project, but also as the personal goals I had for developing during uh, the implementation of this project or the execution of this project. And the goals I could identify through this journey for the project was, first of all, to create relevant education content for implementing these tools for people that actually are working in the construction sector and that the information and tools are relevant to them. To create hands-on experiences, immersive workshops, and engaging material for putting into practice the abilities and knowledge these trainings are aiming to teach, and to promote collaboration and communication between researchers in the field, either from industry or from academia. And as personal goals, well, I am to improve my project management skills, as for delegating tasks, communicating team, following up activities. And also, well, this is something I want to work in, is to reduce perfectionism, embrace failures, and receive and implement feedback constantly and the ongoing development. And another learnings I want to highlight is that OLS program helped me so much in defining a vision and a clear pathway to develop the project, using tools as Open Canvas and self-assessments, and knowing about open practices, open hardware, and how to make knowledge more accessible to overall people was a very like taking I have from this course, because it made a lot of sense for me. That is the way we can move together forward and faster. And well, last but not least, the acknowledgement of privilege lacks and how I can take action as an ally for people that is marginalized or have not the same privilege as I have, or maybe sometimes I don't have those privileges as well, and have to stand up. Those learnings were also very important, and a way to change the way I see the world. Well, thank you for your attention, and I hope you enjoy the presentation.